Hi, welcome to the battery shop. This 2015 Mercedes-Benz GLA250 has an auxiliary battery located way up here in the passenger's footwell. And so for that reason, before you begin to replace a battery like that, we always recommend that you check with the vehicle manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to be sure that you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and effectively replace the battery in a vehicle like this. Here's how it's done. The first step is to remove the passenger side floor mat. And then pull the passenger's footwell carpet down and out of the way. The next step is to remove the cover for the cabin air filter. Now we can remove the auxiliary battery's cover. The next step is to remove the vent tube from the side of the battery. Now with gloves and safety glasses on, the next step is to remove the fastener for the negative battery cable. And you'll need a 10mm wrench for that. Now we can loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable. And remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal. Now we can remove the old battery. And install the replacement battery. Now we can reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal. And retighten the fastener. And then reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal. And tighten the fastener. The next step is to reinstall the vent tube into the side of the battery. And inspect the tube to be sure that it's not cracked or broken. Now we can reinstall the battery's cover. And the cabin air filter cover. Now we can push the footwell carpeting back into position. Reinstall the floor mat. And we're done.